Introducing the latest update to DJI Modify's point cloud editing feature. Export multiple displays with just one click. Switch between various visualizations and fine-tune RGB overlay intensity for optimal clarity. Experience point cloud editing like never before. Simply click to identify ground types and watch as misclassified points are instantly highlighted. Achieve precision with clear classifications and enjoy a smooth editing experience. From dense forests to urban landscapes, rich category options bring point cloud scenes to life. Need high-quality terrain models? We've got you covered. Export superior DEMs, contour tins, and point grid formats tailored to your project's needs. Elevate your workflow with DJI Modify today.